So there are three determinants that determines the value of PED for a product. First is the number and closeness of substitutes. Second is the necessity of the product and how widely the product is defined. And lastly, the third is the time period considered. First, the number and closeness of substitutes that are available is certainly the most important determinant of PED. And it is fair to say that the more substitutes there are for a product, the more elastic will be the demand for it. For example, there are varieties of butter brands on the market, and so if there's an increase in a price for one product, customers will buy different brands. The demand for products with a lot of substitutes, such as butter, household products, fruits, snacks, meat, will have elasticity of demand. Second, the necessity of the product and how widely the product is defined. Food is a necessity in our lives, and therefore, if we don't have it, we die. So the food is in general very inelastic. However, if we look more into the types of food, such as meat, chicken, pork, beef, lamb, whatever, we can see that the demand for it will be elastic because customers can change one meat to another. And how we define necessity differs from people to people because we have different tastes. And habit-forming goods such as alcohol, cigarettes, drugs tend to have an elasticity of demand because what we think necessary is different, can go to extreme. And the third, the time period considered. It takes time for people to change their consumption habits as the price of goods. For example, when people don't have an alternative that they can switch, such as oil in Australia, then the price of heating and the demand for oil changed proportionally smaller amount than the change in price during the winter. However, people changed their heating oils to gas, wood, and coal, so the demand for heating oil fell after a few years. Therefore, PED was more elastic when it was measured over a long